I am at my favorite grocery store, Kroger, here in Colorado, and I'm going to see if there's actually a food shortage going on. Let's check the shelf. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. So I am here at 9 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. And let me tell you, so far the fruits and vegetables, there's no shortage of fruits and vegetables. Now, there is a shortage of strawberries, so I don't know what's going on with strawberries. But everything else, they got it stocked and it looks great. Plain lettuce, but everything else for fruits and vegetables looks really good. Alright, the chicken is actually really full, but the boneless, skinless chicken breast, they only had 3, and I got all 3. So, maybe there's a shortage on boneless, skinless chicken breast? I don't know, but the rest of the chicken right there looks pretty good. Check out my 5 ingredient recipes channel, guys, because I'm going to be using this chicken right there for recipes. Alright guys, who loves liver as much as Mom and Ellie and I do? Oh, gotta love liver. Alright, there's a few holes in lunch meat, but really the lunch meat looks pretty stocked too. Bacon's got a little bit of a shortage, but not too bad. And all the broths and beef, all of that is really stocked well, looking good. Oh my goodness, I wish I could eat ice cream. Look at all those yummy flavors. Wouldn't you just, they even have peppermint all year. Oh, wouldn't you love to just have one of every one of those in your freezer? Come on guys, tell me who would love to have one of those. Each flavor in your freezer. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay, I can tell you right now there is no shortage of ice cream. Wow. Alright, no shortage of frozen vegetables. You can see right there, there's a lot of frozen vegetables. So we're doing good on frozen vegetables. A lot of pizza. And more pizza. And more quick food. Alright, no shortage of sodas. Right there, no shortage. Absolutely. Alright, there is no shortage of coffee. Wow. Yeah, no shortage of coffee. Alright, the 99-cent tortilla chips are running low, but it looks like they're getting ready to restock. Yep, he's got them right there. So there's no shortage of chips. Are well stocked. He was refilling the other ones that weren't, but there's no shortage of chips or anything, because you know chips are an important staple when you're stocking up. Okay, there is absolutely no shortage of cereal at all. So if you love your cereal, you are more than able to stock up. Alright, there's one hole, but rice looks pretty stocked. Wow, pasta sauce is definitely in stock. No shortage of pasta. More tuna. All right, absolutely no shortage of flour right there. No shortage of sugar. See it with your own eyes. And there is no shortage of butter. So I am not seeing a shortage of food at all at the grocery store. So if you need to stock up, now would be a great time to go ahead and get stocked up. Guys, the shelves are full where I'm at, so maybe come to Colorado if you're having issues. But let me know. Are you seeing shortages at your grocery store? Also, check out our 5-ingredient recipes YouTube channel for easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen quick.